video and then go in there, I'll grab it.
Oh, okay, okay. So what do you think they need to work on? Everything?
Popping up quickly.
Popping up?
Yeah.
All right.
It gets too much in their head, they're like, you do too much, and you're like, confused for this.
Right.
And it's like, if I try to simplify it, I just say, just do it fast. Just do it fast, get it over with, you know?
All right.
Because, like, kind of like riding a bike, so there's sometimes they'll wait too long to stand up. So at the time they've decided they're going to stand up,
right?
They're like, all the speed's gone, the wave's gone, yeah.
That's already,
so like, you always got to do it right when you start. I was like, right when you feel it, just go, you know? So, and the times they did stand up is normally because of that, because they just went for it, you know? So,
hey, thank you very much. Huh? I appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay.